Tell me when.
Yep, go for it.
All right, now he's reaching.
Now somebody's into it.
Now he likes it. Oh.
Oh. Yeah. There you are. You're ready. You're ready to eat.
There you go.
Yeah.
2 minutes we had it. That's it. That's all it took. Oh, you want the spoon? Okay.
There's more in there, Jeff.
Other way. Other way.
There's more in there, Jeff.
Here, let's see. You can be left-handed.
No, don't force him to do that.
Your mom noticed that he does a lot with his left hand.
No.
Okay. Here's more.
Wow, he eats. You now are an eating person.
Oh, look
Wow,
at you.
good.
He was like,
This is better than my fingers, I think.
Yeah.
He likes that.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Oh, he's like, all right, Dad. I want more.
Come on, give me some more. I don't want spit. Give me food.
Oh, he's into
Oh,
it
in his
now.
mouth. Oh, we gotta
Yeah,
move on
you
to
just have to
carrots.
get used to it.
Sweet potatoes tomorrow.
Yeah, we got organic carrots and sweet potato and avocado. I think that's our plan of action.
Avocado.
Not all at once, of course. All right. Oh, look at him.
He's reaching.
Yeah.
Good job.
Is that it, Jeff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good
All righty.
job.
Yay. All right. Bye for now.
Bad.